New tonight, a verdict in a murder trial 50 years after it happened. Testimony wrapped up today. It then went to a jury's hands. The jury found James Dudley not guilty of killing Richard Moore at a Tallahassee convenience store in December of 1976. Prosecutors say Dudley was arrested in 2024 after a cold case unit re-interviewed witnesses in the case. Dudley's defense team says there's no evidence that